All right. So we're going to be talking about 5 different ways of proving triangle congruency. Proving one triangle is congruent to another triangle. The first one is side, side, side. Now, side, side, side is when two triangles have 3 sides that are congruent. If 2 triangles have 3 sides that are congruent, they are congruent through side, side, side. Do they have to be in the same place? No, they do not. You see how they share one side, 2 sides, third side. So they share 3 sides. So this is side, side, side. This one is side, angle, side. So they have 2 sides in common. One side and another side. So they have 2 sides in common. This one and that one. You see the 2 sides? Now the angle that they have in common has to be in between the 2 sides they have in common. So side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. That's how I know that these triangles are congruent. Now let's look at this one. This is called angle, side, angle. So I have 2 angles in common. Okay? I have 2 angles that are the same. And I also have the side that's in between those 2 angles is also congruent. So that's why this is angle, side, angle. This one you're looking at here is angle, angle, side. Now, the reason why it's angle, angle, side, Mr. Castros, isn't that the same as this one? It is not. This side right here is touching both angles they have in common. Now, this side that they have in common is only touching one of the angles, and it has to be that specific angle. So angle, 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 side. Angle, angle, side. That angle is not touching that side. And the last one, that only works on right triangles. So if it's not a right triangle, you only got 4 options. Okay, you only have 4 options when it's not a right triangle. The second it's a right triangle, there's a 5th option, and it's called the hypotenuse leg theorem. The hypotenuse leg theorem is how you prove that 2 right triangles are congruent. Okay, because if they share a hypotenuse and a leg, they automatically share a 3rd side because of the Pythagorean theorem. Now, here's a couple of examples. How are these 2 triangles congruent? I gave you an angle and a side. Now, when you have vertical angles, you should automatically know that this angle is also congruent to that one, automatically. Now, I don't want to say that these are the same as that one, so I'm going to kind of mark them differently. There you go. But these are equal to each other. Now that you know that, you should have known that this was angle, side, angle. Angle, side, angle. That's what they have in common with each other. So this makes the 2 triangles congruent through angle, side, angle. What about this one? Mr. Castros, you only gave me 2 sides. I'm missing something else. You are not. They're sharing the 3rd side. So through the reflection property, they have all 3 sides congruent. I'll even mark them like this when they're sharing a side, so then I know there's a 3rd side they have in common. So this would be side, side, side. And I think that's pretty much it. All right? Good luck.